Hey everyone, welcome back. Ready for another deep dive?
Absolutely, let's do it.
All right, so today we're talking about something, kind of crucial to, happy, lovey-dovey stuff. Making your partner feel special.
The cornerstone of any good relationship, right?
It really is, because let's be real, relationships are great, but keeping that spark alive definitely takes some effort.
A little TLC goes a long way.
Exactly. And that's where this deep dive comes in. We found this super interesting piece about, making your partner feel special. And let me tell you, some of these insights were real eye-openers.
And the cool thing is, it's not about some big over-the-top gestures.
Yeah, it actually really emphasized those little everyday things, which honestly, at first I was a little skeptical. Like, really? Is that all it takes?
It sounds deceptively simple, right? But the impact is huge. It's about consistency. Think about every little gesture. A thank you for making coffee, noticing a new outfit, a quick shoulder rub after a long day.
Okay, so it's like these small acts of appreciation become like building blocks.
Exactly. Each one reinforces that feeling of being loved and valued.
Which, let's be honest, who doesn't want to feel that way, right?
Exactly. And when those little things are constant, it builds a foundation of feeling seen and appreciated, which, honestly, can make or break a relationship in the long run.
So it's not about waiting for Valentine's Day or birthdays to roll around.
Nope, it's about weaving it into the everyday.
Makes you realize how powerful those small gestures can be. And speaking of gestures, this article really got me thinking about gift giving too.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it was all about thoughtful gifts over extravagant ones. And, I might have a funny story about that.
Oh, I do love a good story.
Okay, so there was this one time I tried surprising my partner with a pottery class. I thought it'd be romantic, getting creative together.
That's what in theory.
Total disaster. Turns out neither of us are exactly gifted in the pottery department. Let's just say there was more clay on us than anything else.
Hey, at least you tried.
Yeah.
Right. And it proves the point. It's the thought behind it that really counts.
Totally. And this article highlighted how important shared goals can be for couples, which I have to admit, I hadn't really thought about before.
It's pretty cool when you think about it. Working towards something together, whether it's a financial goal, a fitness journey, or even planning a dream vacation.
Yeah. Like, imagine finally going on that dream vacation after months of saving together. The sense of accomplishment.
Exactly. It strengthens that sense of partnership. You're a team, facing challenges side by side and celebrating those victories together.
Okay, so we've covered appreciation, gifts, and goals. What else can we do to really make our partners feel special, like on a deeper level?
Sometimes the most powerful thing is a genuine, heartfelt compliment. And I'm not just talking about the looking good kind of compliments.
Right, like noticing a new shirt or something.
Exactly. It's about noticing something you genuinely appreciate about them, like their laugh, their work ethic, their taste in music.
Oh, telling them you love how they make your morning coffee just right.
Exactly. It shows you see them, and those little things can really brighten their day.
It's funny you should say that. The other day, my partner actually pointed out how much they loved my enthusiasm when I talk about my work. And honestly, it made me feel so appreciated.
See? Those little moments of genuine appreciation, they're magic.
They really are. So to sum it all up for our listeners today, those seemingly small, everyday actions, they hold so much power. A heartfelt thank you, a thoughtful gift, working towards a shared goal, a genuine compliment. These little things are not so little after all.
They're the secret sauce to a happy, fulfilling relationship.
And that's a wrap on another deep dive. But before you go, here's a final thought. We've mainly talked about romantic relationships, but how can we apply these principles to other areas of our lives?
That's a good question.
Right, like how can we show appreciation to our friends, our families, even our colleagues? Because everyone deserves to feel valued, right? Something to think about. Until next time, keep those sparks flying.